Using free apps, CapCut and the TextLab, I am going to show you that how you can create a lower third for any social platform. And not only that, I am also going to show you that how you can reuse them in any other videos. So let's get started with the tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to use TextLab app. Surprisingly, it is one-to-one copy of the Pexels app. The link is in the description if you want to install it. I like this app because you don't get ads when you are trying to export the image or trying to save the image, and therefore I am using the text app. In this tutorial, we don't need the text, so tap on the delete button. Confirm that you want to delete it. At the top right, there are three dots. Tap on that. Go to the image size, and under the project there is a drop down menu. Inside that there are some presets. Select the YouTube thumbnail preset. Click on OK, and now the canvas size should be changed. We want to make the canvas transparent, so tap on the fourth icon at the bottom, which is two squares overlapping with each other, and there you should see the transparent option. Tap on it, and as soon as you tap, the background becomes transparent. Next step is that we want to import the Instagram logo. I have already downloaded, so please Google it. You can download on your own. Make sure that the image is PNG file and the background is transparent. To import it, tap on the plus button, go to the gallery, and then just browse wherever you have downloaded. I will just select the file which I have already downloaded. Then the new window will pop up, which will show that if you want to crop it, rotate it, flip it, or whatever other operations you want to do before you want to import. I'm just going to import it as it is. Click OK. Now we need to resize the logo, so hold it and drag, and then you should see a big circle at the corner. Hold and drag it in the diagonal direction, and it will resize the image. So just decrease the size of the logo to your liking. This much I think should be okay. Now to position it on the left side in the horizontal position, in the vertical you want to make it centric. So for that you need to tap on the hexagon icon or the button at the bottom, and then there you should see the relative position option. So tap on that. To make it centric vertically, there is a middle button in the second row. Tap on it. Now it's centric vertically, and we want to keep it on completely the left hand side, so just tap on the very first button of the first row. Now it is on the left hand side. Click OK. Now let's add shapes. This logo is only for the reference for creating the shapes. For that you need to tap somewhere on the canvas so that it unselects the logo image, and then you should see the options called shapes. Tap on it. It will automatically add the square shape by default, and under the drop down you can change it to any other shape you want, but let's keep it square. And you can use these four dots to resize the height and then the width of the shape. So let's increase the width till it covers only half of the logo, and then using the top and the bottom dots you can, let's say, adjust the height to match to the logo. Add the radius to make the ends rounded. Click OK, and let's add the gradient color to the shape, which should be like similar to the Instagram logo. And how we can do it, there is a edit button. Tap on it. Again it will take you to the very first option which we saw, and then inside the fill there are two options, color or gradient. So tap on the gradient. I already tried it before creating the tutorial, so you should see on the left hand side the gradient already created, but if you don't see the gradient which we want, you can create your own. So tap on the plus button, and we want the gradient to be going from the left hand side towards the right hand side. So for that, tap on the very first rectangle at the top. Now you can see it is going from the left hand side to the right. Let's add two more control points, because currently there are only two of them, left and the right. Left one is gray and the right is dark gray. So let's tap on the plus button to add two more controls. Just move them so it looks like it is equally distributed, the gradient here. Select the very first control point, go to the colors, so it will open the color palette, but let's use the color picker option. Now it will ask you from which image you want to copy the color. So select the Instagram logo. We will start with the yellow color here. Click OK. Again click OK. So as soon as you see for the first control point, the yellow color has been added. Select the second and we just need to do the same. So I will fast forward or do it quickly. So as you can see, I have selected the 4 different shades of the color inside the Instagram logo itself. So it looks, let's say, more or less like an Instagram logo, and it will look nice. Click OK and let's copy this shape. As soon as you copied, it is at the default position, which is top leftmost corner. To make it centric vertically, go to the relative position option and tap on this button. Click OK. First we will change the color of this shape so that we can see that where it is positioned currently. So go to the edit and instead of gradient, go to the color and select the white color. Now let's move it towards the right hand side a little bit. So go to the position and then there are up, down, left, right options and by how many pixels you want to move. Just keep it default and tap on the right button. This much should be okay. Click OK. And now there is a last step in this app, which is to export all these images that we have just created. But we are not going to export everything. We will hide the layers, other layers, and we will just export what we need. So tap on the layer button. First hide the logo because we don't need it. Then hide the white layer because we also don't need it. Tap on the 3 dots, tap on the save image, keep the default settings and click on the save to gallery. Then show the white layer and hide the gradient shape or the layer. Again tap on the 3 dots, click on save image, save the gallery. There is only last step remaining. We want the green screen or the green canvas in our CapCut app. So for that, hide everything, click on the layer button so that this option hides itself. Go to this background options and inside the color or tap on the color and just click on the plus button and select the green screen. So you need to use the second slider and move it completely towards the right hand side. This transparency option also you need to move completely on the right hand side so that the pure green color is there without any opacity or transparency. Click OK, and as soon as you click, the whole canvas has this color, and this we will need later. Tap on the 3 dots and save the image. Now let's go to the CapCut app. So first tap on the new project to start the new project. Go to the photos and the very first image we want to import is the green canvas. So click on add. Select it because currently the timing is 3 seconds. So make it around 7 to 8 seconds. We can readjust it later. Go back. Now let's bring all assets like the Instagram logo, then the shapes which we created with the gradient color and the white color. So the very first we will bring the Instagram logo, and for that, instead of overlay, let's use the stickers, because the animation, the in and out animations are different if you go inside the overlay and if you go inside the stickers. And the animations which we need are the ones which are present in the stickers. So click on the stickers, and at the top there is a plus button with, let's say, icon of the gallery. So tap on that. As soon as you tap, you are again inside the album. Select the Instagram logo which you have already downloaded. Click OK. Now using the two fingers, let's resize it till it's a little bit small, and just snap it toward the left hand side like this. And let's increase the timeline till it matches the timing of the main track. Let's add the in and out animation for this sticker. So select it, and you should see the animation option there. Tap on it. For the in, select the spring animation, and the timing you can increase to the 1 second. Yeah, that looks better. Go to the out and also add the same spring animation, and again increase the timing to the 1 second. Click OK. So that has been added. As you can see, the arrows. Now again add the shapes which we exported from the TextLab. So to do that, tap on the stickers again, go to the plus button, and then find the images. First we will bring this gradient color image. Again zoom out, move the timing so that we can see the shape of the Instagram, because we want it as a reference for it to decide that how much should be the size of this, and drag it a little bit towards the right hand side. Now let's add the animation. Click on it, and for the in, use slide right animation like this, and for the out, slide left. Click OK. So as you can see, it's sliding towards the right when it's coming, and sliding towards the left when it is going out. The timing of all these layers we will adjust later. So let's go back again, click on the stickers, and add the last image, which is the white shape, and just resize it using the two fingers. Just make sure that the height is matching to this gradient shape in the background, and just make sure the position is like this, so it's not overlapping completely on the right hand side. You can still see this violet color, and go to the animation and apply the same animation. Slide right for the in, and for the out, slide left. Click OK. Currently it looks like that the shapes are on top of the Instagram logo. We will solve that problem later, but first let's adjust the timing when it should appear and when it should go out of the screen. So first we want to pop in the Instagram logo, and you can see the arrow. So we just drag this gradient shape a little bit towards the right hand side, and make sure that there is a gap between this arrow and the start of this shape animation. So if you play it, okay, let's move this also a little bit. So as you can see, they are appearing one after another. Instagram logo pops up, then the sliding effect or the sliding animation of this gradient shape happens, and this white color shape or this layer is coming after that. And we need to follow the same in the reverse order, but before that let's add the text also. So for that, you already see there is a add text button, so tap on that, and write the text which would be your Instagram ID. So for this tutorial I'm just going to type at your name. It is not visible because it has a white color, so quickly we will change the color of the text. Go to the style, and then at the bottom there are the colors option, and select the violet color because then it will match to this Instagram violet shade. Change the font to Barlow and drag it to just resize it and move it towards the right hand side, so it looks like it's in the center of this white shape. Go to the animation tab, and for that again we will add in and out, so faded wipe right, and for the out in opposite direction, click OK. So the text should appear after this white shape animation has ended, so sliding right animation I mean. Tap somewhere on this black screen or this layer timeline, because we can't move this up and down if something is already selected. So for example, if I select this and if you want to move up and down, it is not possible, so you have to tap somewhere, unselect that layer, and then it allows you to move up and down. Hold the text layer, move it a little bit towards the right, so as you can see it will appear later once the animation of this white shape has ended. Now we want them to disappear in the same fashion the way they appeared, but in the reverse order. So first text will disappear, the white shape will disappear, the gradient shape will disappear, and at the end the Instagram logo will disappear. So for that we need to change the timeline of that layer. So let's say the text is visible for a second and it will disappear at this point, but we don't want the shape already gone. So after the shape has disappeared, the text has disappeared, the white shape should start disappearing. Then let's say this gradient shape start disappearing, and at the end, so I need to tap here because I want to unselect that layer, and then at the end, as you can see, this Instagram logo should pop out. So that is how the timing has been adjusted. So let's preview it, and as you can see they are not the way they should be. Generally whenever the layer is coming after the another layer, then it should be on the top. It happens in the overlay but not with the stickers. So in the stickers you see the Instagram sticker is the very first layer, so generally it should be completely at the bottom, but surprisingly it is at the top, so it is overlapping over all the other layers. And to change the order which comes first, you need to tap on each sticker in that order. So Instagram logo should be at the very top, and at the very bottom should this gradient shape. So first tap on the gradient shape, so it is now selected. Then on top of that the white shape should be there, so tap on it. So as soon as you tapped, it is on the top of it. Then select the text layer. For that first I need to unselect, then drag it up so that I can see the text layer. Tap on that, then you can see it is appearing on the top of the white, and at the end you need to tap on the Instagram layer, and now you can see that everything is in the order we want. Let's preview it, and it looks really nice. There is only one thing. As you see on the left hand side of this Instagram logo, this sliding effect is visible, and we don't want it to be, let's say, visible. For that we need to add one more layer. So go to the start first and again tap on the stickers. Again tap on the stickers and click on the plus button, and import now this green canvas image which we imported in the beginning. Click OK. So that will be added. Drag the timing of that layer till it matches the main track timing. Now this layer is on top of everything, so therefore nothing will be visible. As the layer is selected, let's try to resize it first, then rotate it till it's, let's say, vertical 90 degree. Drag it to the left hand side and just move the timeline till we see everything, because we want to see what we are doing. So just resize it again, but currently it's over the Instagram logo. So to bring it the Instagram on the top of this green layer, you just need to tap on the Instagram, and you can see there is a hard cutting at this corner, and we don't want this. So again, go back and select that layer, move it a little bit towards the left and tap on the Instagram layer again, and let's preview it. So as you can see, it seems like that these shapes are coming from this Instagram logo, from inside the Instagram logo. They are not coming, let's say, from completely the left hand side, which was the case in the beginning. So that's how you create any social lower third. This was only for the Instagram. You can do it for Twitter, YouTube, or anything else. And to export it, just tap on first the settings, because we want the frame rate to be 60 fps, and then tap on the arrow button. In the next step, I will show how you can use this in any video, so stay tuned. Tap on new project, go to the videos and select any video which you have created. Maybe it's your tutorial or whatever. So the video has been added. Then tap on the overlay, click on add overlay, and let's select the video you just exported for the social lower third. Click on add, and as you can see, it's on the top of it. While the overlay layer is selected, go to the chroma key. It will ask you to pick the color, so just drag this color picker anywhere on the green canvas. Go to the intensity, increase it to certain value till it makes it completely gone, and click OK. And as you can see, the green screen is gone, but there is a little bit of a shade. Let's check if we can make it go away completely, and what the shadow does. Okay, it's doing nothing. I just keep it like this, resize it, and then let's say you can keep it at the lowermost corner, at the top, wherever you would like on your video, depending on your video. And that's how you add the social lower third, which you have already created in any other projects which you want to do in the future. So if you like this video, then click on the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There is a CapCut tutorial list, so in the description you can click on that if you are interested in another CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe, stay healthy.